Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device supports DisplayPort Alternate Mode or Thunderbolt. This is why the adapter will send video. Next, plug the USB-C end into your device. Do it gently and feel for the click. Once done, connect the HDMI end to the display. Make sure the TV or monitor is set to the correct HDMI input, and if your adapter needs external power, attach the charger now so the signal stays stable during setup. Once your cables are connected, you adjust the output on your device. On Windows, go to Settings then Display. On Mac OS, open Displays. You decide whether to mirror, extend, or use external only. This affects workflow and performance. Then pick resolution and refresh rate that the monitor supports. Higher rates need better cables. Also check audio routing. If sound should play through the TV, select HDMI as the audio output in sound settings, so media and system sounds follow the video signal. You now verify everything. Play a video, move windows, and confirm color and sharpness. If the picture is blank or stutters, first reset cables and try another HDMI port. Adapters sometimes need a different port to negotiate. If that fails, reboot your device and power cycle the monitor to reinitialize the handshake. One key troubleshooting tip: swap the Type-C to HDMI adapter or cable to rule out a faulty dongle. Many problems come from cheap or damaged adapters rather than settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.